they still on Shit Island?
Yep. They're
Why?
stuck here. They're on a side quest.
Please stop calling him that.
What's going on with his nose?
Yeah, I was about to say.
I'm glad we're on the same page. Bud.
Dude.
He looks like a psycho pervert. Oh my god. Okay, what's going on here?
Whoa.
He's dead. This is all we could do to bury him. I don't have a shovel.
Let's go find an old man to dig a hole for
Hey
us.
guys, isn't it like freezing cold outside? Maybe we shouldn't have done this.
Yeah. Maybe you didn't really need to take his shirt off.
Toby just wanted a gander.
Oh no, the two handsome boys are alone by themselves. And one of them doesn't have a shirt
Oh
on.
no, one handsome boy's got no shirt and the other's only wearing a crop top.
That's a recipe for a good time. Probably when you started using slave labor.
Yeah, Zolly. Yes, actually.
Yeah, probably. Wow, your nose.
Boy, that is one sharp nose.
We could start a colony on your nose.
Could slice right through steel.
Get it.
Jesus. It's like a
Jesus.
wing of an airplane.
Yeah, those obvious pro tags always make the villains come to their senses.
Hey, Zolly, why do we always hang out by these barrels?
Yeah, there's buildings. Hey Cole, I'll meet you by the barrels.
Meet me by the barrels at 3.
We have houses, no.
No, I like the barrels.
I like the barrels. This is the barrel theme song.
Why does she look like a bootleg Mikasa from Attack on Titan?
My god, his nose.
My god, his nose.
My god, his nose.
What was the gas? We could do some real low-hanging fart jokes here if we wanted.
We're above that. We're high tier comedy.
We
here
may
on
make a lot of sex jokes, but we're above fart jokes. Look at this good shot on this Converse.
Damn, I gotta keep my hands off this handsome dude meat.
Yeah, I gotta go for a walk, Kaiba. I can't handle it. Who laid me
Yeah,
shirtless
sorry,
on
I'm
this
actually
cold
injured
stone?
this time.
Where even is his shirt? He's not even like laying on it. He's just on the ground.
Yeah, I couldn't put it under him. It's not like I care or anything. It's not like I'm sexually attracted to you or anything.
It's not like I can't stop looking at your nips or anything. What is that one's eyes of a meth addict? Hey guys, Chucky's dead.
It's fine. He was the weakest link.
He was the weak. Now no one will eat all of our food.
Yeah.
I will dispute with you that Toby's the weakest link.
I mean, at least he's clever.
At least he doesn't eat everyone's bread.
He doesn't eat everyone's food and he doesn't fall into stupid ass traps.
Yeah.
He's my favorite, okay? He's the only one that's not like super obnoxious.
Alright, but is he wearing a crop top?
Well, not yet he's not.
No. Just wait until everyone's wearing Leather Boy's outfit.
Can be a rage.
Whoa! I just wanted to touch his butt.
Really needed to touch that booty.
I couldn't handle it anymore. Is that Wolf just carrying another wolf? I'm dangerously close to your midriff.
Why can't you just tear their arms off?
Look at him go! Look at that meth addict go!
Jeez! Oh, you punched one of my eyes real tiny.
Gotta use my Hulk powers again, hang on.
That's fucking solid metal.
Shoot, that dog's the Hulk! Well.
Look at him go. They're bouncing up and down like Neon Cat.
The boss is like, you're telling me that wolf pried the bars apart with its bare teeth? It's like, I swear,
to
sir.
God. There she is.
Hey, sweet cheeks.
I got some peanut butter for you.
Hey, McCree, can I borrow your dog? Just for a minute, just for like an hour.
Half an hour.
What's that supposed to mean?
People who deserve it. His eyes are so big.
Paradise doesn't welcome little bitches. Talking about you, leather boy.
Yeah.
Big.
That doesn't make any sense.
Wolves are just like flowers. Sometimes they die.
I mean, you're not wrong. Whoa.
What?
That duck noise.